Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, already know the thing set. We bless. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen. Yeah, people, I believe in life. Everybody deserves a try. You know what I mean? But some guys and girls, they're mad, you know. You see, man, I say, and Khago is a known madman, you feel me? But he's very talented, you see, man, I say, but him just mad. And you know, when you deal with mad people, they're like a ticking time bomb. You know what I mean? Them fuse shot and all of these things, you see me? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You know, he's doing a good deed right now, you know, putting a lot of people who need, you know, a try in the business, a helping hand like the angel and all of these people. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, you know, you see I acting, you know, who, come under fire from Khago from time to time. You know what I mean? And put their differences aside. You see what I say? And so did Mr. Vegas. But no, Mr. Vegas is out here exposing, Khago's voice notes because, these people be making people look, like something they're not. You feel me? People putting in the comment section how much mad people have you encountered in your life. You know what I mean? When I talk about the dolly them that's in around much, you see me? But nevertheless, people, let's hear what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
You say me a fight you. Is me make Willie Daniels send out your song, bro? And watch ya. Watch ya. The drops them. When me beg you, fi do for Willie Daniels. Ah no. This are the drop list for Willie Daniels. See that? Ah no, you don't do one drop. And these are pop DJs. These are major radio station DJs, bro. See that? See that?
Alright, so here we have to do. No problem. Through the algorithm, I pick it up. So we.
These are major DJs, brother. Major DJs. I know you don't do one. I know.
Yeah, fam, tell me if you like this.
Zine? I know you don't do one. Watch it. Me get interview for you at Guyana. I know.
Yeah, bro, Joanna. Remember Joanna?
I know, bro. Eh?
So check this out, bro. When you put those things on the artwork, it messes up you with Spotify.
All along me I guide you.
Yeah, pre-read when I get.
All along.
Send me an email, I can send you the artwork. Yeah. But when you see it as some more artwork, and official done. So I say, no, high definition thing we deal with.
Me a fight and I tell you to get better artwork.
Morning, brother. The artwork and the wave them. How we looking?
Me a beg the man, the wave and the artwork them for blast him song from May and up to down of end of June. This man don't send me one thing.
Artwork, wave and MP3.
Eh?
I plan for them, I plan for blast. Let the man blast 4 tune. The Flower Gun, the Khago, Vegas and Angel. I mean if that good.
This is a world blast me I do, brother. It's a world blast me I do. Eh?
That's right, I know I need help with the amount of sitting I have to do. The country, the amount of work, the amount of sound man I want to kill me after hustle.
Enjoy it, bro. Enjoy it. Your time, bro. See a woman equal sing back your song counteraction. And you see a woman counteract a man song boss. Enjoy it. Blood clot, you complain. You better enjoy it. You know see a bumper clot, you know see you want to fit down your house. Can I man this? If I come in and I laugh and I rejoice, yeah, some singer, so I talk to the man where I do the blast. So him say him can do 5 tune, yeah, for the money.
This is a world blast me I do it with my own money for you and everybody.
Big brother, yo, I go on. You know, I did have my distribution and everything set up, everything, but Francine did not deal with it. But the computer did good.
Leave it alone. Zine? Yeah? Big Batty Boy cruise and move like a fitting beat. But yet still they do the same thing to Ginger. Same thing. Eh?
Well, Tony Cruz, post soul, you know. I move like say beat a film. I favorite them make a version of
Same thing you do to the man, do to Ginger, where you say man I do to you. Eh? Eh? Come on, bro. Grow up, man.
yeah man, everything done I know. So now the DNA test I forgot drop off. We ever see band them and make the rhythm, you know. Come at the studio, come build. They come with the same drum, cause you know they have the drums already.
No, get 5 weeks. 5 weeks. Well, push them. If you then get when they release, in 5 weeks time. Cause reggae music, when I about to put pre-order, yeah. So people can get it night time, but we want to put 5 weeks before it official release. But I put pre-order, but yeah. I make it with 1 RPM. I have direct contact with people, you know? Yeah.
Fight?
I make you try to set about tune core account. Yeah. Just a
What?
tune core thing go wrong and nobody to talk to, you know?
Oh, I have 1 hour here, man.
Eh?
You know, but me just
Eh?
I said better, you know, but at least you have somebody. If something to take down, if something to adjust, if you want to swap out a mix, it's easier. You see what I say? Big man thing, bro. Don't give Anthony Cruz no publishing on the reading, bro. If you go give nobody nothing, look for Mikey Spice name and credit Mikey Spice. You see what I say?
Awa guide all along. Awa guide all along. Me tell the man say, yo, me could build it Anthony Cruz. Because of music the whole way I do. What him say? You ask him how him a go fix the world beating him. The world beating him a get. Cause him did really dead. Bro, him man a send wicked thing about him. Bro, woman and man a send wicked thing about him. But me nah this Kim like that. Him better know only what him can get out of this. Fi make public apology to the reggae community. Because you feel like you can humiliate the man further. And me tell you say, yo, me could build the man bridging. And music it name. Go up on your live and play Anthony Cruz. See? Me say drop Anthony Cruz on your live. He man tell me say man fi come do public apology. Public apology for what? Eh? You're egotistical, brother. Eh? Cause him will never rise. You not tell him this social media run different. Because him know say him exploit the people him. Only time them a go remember him at him funeral. Them I go see that's the pussy we try kill new reggae. Laugh out loud. Narcissist.
And just love him and just focus on your music, brother. And your time now, my G. Yeah, man, just not even remember them, bro. You know nothing to do with this, bro.
so what you say we are released upon the rhythm or we are jaggy upon the new rhythm or the same and them come make which one of them? And what you say me are doing?
No, man. I think the youth now make him send the wave. We want the one where you're upon, man. We just need a wave. We don't know who have that wave there. So I may have to find it now. So I'm going to call him back now and get a wave. Because the one where you have to come out of the phone, it compressed.
Watch out. From me ask the man for the rhythm. Yeah? What is? What is we now? What is we now? What date this? June. Me ask the man for the song. From May and June. Me still a beg him man to send me my song for shoot a video. June.
I just love him and I just focus on your music, brother.
June.
And your time now, mate. No, man. I think the youth now make him send the wave. Alright, call him and chat to him, Khago. Because I must say a favorite of the cut where you would upon. So chat to him and make him directly the right way. If you have no problem, with me back.
Who a guide you all along with this? Who a guide you all along? Eh? See when the man start premier, yeah? Man can fly your fuck. When the man a start make me get bookings. Watch ya. Boss off the Anthony Cruz. Cruz. Yeah? Eh? You mad? Never. And if him a dead, him dead to me. Bro, 1 million time, me beg the boy all please fi come make me right and help him. Come on, bro. And you do this because you think say people are going to sympathize with you. Watch a man say. But cause them fighting for Manchester. Him dead to me, suck himself. Me just come from inner the town. Nobody no want see that man. Him can't rise back for now. No. Me rather dig up Garnet. So me say, right now, if you want him link up the world, cry. Come still a try fi say, yo, focus on the music, youth. Anthony Cruz, him that hold you up, but I saw you go. No, nothing different from what you do to Ginger. The man say, him have to go public and apologize to the reggae fans, not whatever. Not me. Cause bro, believe me, I try. Bro, me I go send you something, please, and beg that boy. Have Khago, I beg him. Now tell me, don't make me come on the web. The boy hijack me on Panther Live. Look like Panther set me up. Cause why him over the same time? Me know him a beg you to talk to me. That late. Cruz never beg me talk to you. It look like Panther. Cause why him over the same time? I say, nah man. Panther style him neatly for you. Me say, nah man. I say peace and love say to him. What me and him have me have peace with him, whatever. You need peace with him mind, he need peace with him mind and dirty side. Bro, make we left that man, him can't change. So all you did I talk about you this and you that and you rare. You try cancel Ginger for the same thing and me and tell you say yo, low Cruz. Make we build with Cruz because Cruz him man recover the rhythm. Even one of him rhythm. Me talk to Cruz and me say Cruz, you can't fight music. Me say make you all we build now. Because I'm write one song for Cruz and everybody good. You carry grudge, and I say Panther set you up. Panther, you devil. Panther, sit down on a stool and bust your song youth. Panther la link man a New York and I say you have to depend on some fest youth. You a demon, brother. Somebody have to sit down and tell you the real truth, youth. You a demon, youth. Panther, set you up. Now, what the issue I'm having me? Me tell him and say, bro, the Neil Diamond sample na the song. Me is an international artist. I cannot release a song, promote a song with a sample. Because the fine is mandatory 150,000 to 250,000. That are the copyright infringement law. See? Me build back the rhythm, sing over the song. When me look, me see him still a release the song. Me link Angel. Me show you the man a devil, you know. But of course, it works better for you when you try to play a victim. Me I go show you my devil. And it's just a matter of time before your angel kick off too. Because you can't aim. This is me I talk to Angel. Yeah? This is before the thing release. I want you to pay attention. Zane?
morning, sis. Morning, sis. How are you? I give Khago a message from here, please. Tell Khago say I do not want to be a part of this compilation. Let's remove my vocal, please, because I told him that there's a sample in the rhythm, and as an established artist, I will have to deal with the consequences if they go after Khago, because it will be showing up on my platform as well as an official release. And if the Neil Diamond, if he did not take out the Neil Diamond sample, I cannot be a part of this juggling. All right, because I have a lot to lose. The other artists on the beat, they may not go after them because there is no estate for them to sue. But they will go after my estate. You understand? And I cannot afford an infringement on my name. Yeah. The mandatory infringement fine is $150,000 US. So if there's a Neil Diamond sample in the work, please to take it down. Yeah, as a matter of fact, Angel, I have recreated the work. I took out the samples. It's already mixed and mastered. If he wants to get this version to put on his compilation, it's all good with me. He can just send for the wave and then just swap out the one with the sample and put this one. All right? Please and thanks. Yeah, because I don't want to get in a problem with them people at Neil Diamond Estate. Yeah, all right? Yeah, man, go back and tell them I say. But I don't think that's something you need to worry about tonight.
So that I'm me that I tell him say, use the version when me recreate so you can release it without the sample. Him not gonna tell me that. Him not tell me that. As a matter of fact, just to make sure so him get the message, right? Just to make sure him get the message, I make sure say him understand what's going on. Me link the distributor. Zane, the distributor. This are James. Yeah? This are James.
Hi, James. How are you? I'm not sure if this is your number. This is your number. It's in Vegas. Yeah, see, I have a 2-time juggling coming out, yeah? And I'm a part of that juggling. Yeah, it's just sent an email to Aaron and whoever else. Yeah, but I want you to remove the Mr. Vegas piece. Yeah, because, yeah, some legality that I don't wish to get into, you know? Yeah. But let me know if it's this you and we can talk further on it. Yeah, the 2-time review. Yeah.
Hey, Bless. Yeah, this is my number here. I'm in Tanzania right now.
So that's James.
Yeah, James, the Vegas piece on this has to be removed there. I have another work with the same song, but with different edits that I can send to you to replace. All right, but this mix has to be taken down. And the whole project is not my production, it's Khago's production, but my piece has to be taken down. Yeah. Cool? Yeah. Just in short. Yeah. There is elements of this version that can be libelous. Hey James, how are you? Did you hear anything from Khago about the replacement of the audio? Let me know, please. Thanks. And remember to speak to him about it if you haven't spoken to him as yet. All right?
So how me I fight you? I'm going to take out the sample.
Yeah, like I said, me and Khago, we done do business together already, you know what I mean? So I know the type of mental individual he is. You see, man, I say. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, people, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Please.